Hey guys, this is the video on simple machines, and we've actually done a couple of videos on the actual working of simple machines. This is just the theory. So the first kind of machine is an inclined plane, which is a flat sloping surface on one side, there are so it looks like a triangle. So this is a sloping surface. And then like you could do calculations on it. We have a video on the inclined plane, but we can do calculations as 2 feet, 4 feet as the base, 2 feet as the height, and then there's the hypotenuse, which also has which can be calculated. But then you have an object that actually can be pushed from the inclined plane, and this needs effort. So this could be a 10 pounds of effort. It could be different pounds, 10 pounds of effort. Every machine in the world is a discovery with the combination of the simple machines. So all the manufacturing units use combination of simple machines to create a complex machine. The next kind of machine is wedge. A wedge is something that's used for splitting or separating things. So it could be an axe. So the good example is an axe. We have taken two kinds of machines to make a video, and that was inclined plane and a pulley, which we'll see later. The third kind of machine is a screw, basically. A screw is something that transforms energy from turning into up and down energy. So there is what it can do is a lift, pull, hold together. So a screw, which looks like this. I just attempted to draw this, but so basically a screw that transforms energy from turning in up and down energy. So that's lift, push, hold together. That's what the screw does. So the functions of the screw. The fifth is lever. Lever is a beam or rigid rod pivoted at a fixed hinge or fulcrum. A fixed hinge or fulcrum is this little thing, the little triangle here. So this is a fulcrum, and then there is the beam or rigid rod that is pivoted at a fixed hinge. The example for those are seesaws, crowbars, bottle openers, or bats, like baseball bats. So that's the lever. The fifth one is a wheel and axle, which is a pull and push heavy loads in everything like wagons. So there's a wheel, there is an axle. Very simple example is skateboard. Skateboard, a Ferris wheel, doorknobs, a bike, yes, scooter, yes, that's a wheel and axle. Then there is the last one, which is pulling. A pulley is the wheels with a groove in the rim in which you can place a cable, cabin, cord, belt, or rope. So there is a rope, there is a small wheel which has a little groove that it can go into. The cable or rope or something can get into it, and it's pulled from the other side. So that's why it's a pulley. So we have done a video on pulley, so you would know what exactly a pulley is. So this video should probably have preceded the videos on inclined plane and pulley, but I needed to give you a kind of a small lesson on what the simple wheels are. The simple machines are. So most of the machines are made of simple machines to make it a complex machine. This is the other way around. This is a Rube Goldberg machine, which is the other way around. It uses a simple machine concept to create something useful using chain reactions, which creates a complex machine. So what does a Rube Goldberg machine have? It's a contraption. A contraption is a device or a control that is very useful for a particular job, and then it uses chain reaction, and it carries out a simple task. So it uses simple machine concepts, uses chain reaction to carry out a very simple task. So this machine basically got its name from Rube Goldberg. Rube Goldberg, who was a comedian, who was a cartoon writer, and an engineer. So he was a mining engineer, and in the end, when he got bored of most of his day jobs, he actually became a cartoonist, making cartoons about machines, complex machines, to do simple tasks, but using simple machine concepts and using chain reactions. So this is basically a lesson on simple machines and chain reactions. I think we'll probably do a video on chain reaction too, to show you what that looks like. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe our channel, and do comment on any other kind of lessons you guys would be interested to listen to. Bye.